Our journey begins in Kvarner, a land where tradition blends with innovation and where raw nature meets a refined art of living. This 2-day journey in Istria and Kvarner is an invitation to discover its hidden treasures and to brush up against the stars of a unique culinary universe. It is in Rijeka that our exploration takes flight. The restaurant Nebo, whose name means sky, offers us a first experience of celestial refinement. Crowned with a Michelin guide star, the cuisine of this young chef is a dialogue between the earth and the firmament. Each dish is a composition, a constellation of flavors and textures, which lifts us up and makes us travel. The morning dawns at the Hotel Navis. Like a ship of stone and glass moored above the waves, its minimalist architecture blends into the rocky landscape. Breakfast is savored facing the immensity of the Adriatic, and light, through the large bay windows, delicately caresses the sleek curves of the furniture. The room itself is a painting, an invitation to contemplation, where every line of design fades to make way for the raw beauty of the sea. After this interlude of serenity, we stroll to Velasco, a small fishing port where time seems to have stopped. Then we join Opatia. Its past elegance, which earned it the nickname Nice of Austria-Hungary, can still be felt through its lush gardens and majestic Belle Epoque villas. Back in Rijeka, the markets overwhelm us with their vibrant colors and the murmurs of the crowd. It's the heart of the city, a place where all senses are awakened. Our gourmet break is at the Hidden Wine Bistro, a favorite of the Michelin Guide. Here, flavors are shared and meet in convivial plates. Each dish is a discovery, an expression of the terroir. The cuisine tells a story, which we enjoy together, for a warm and authentic experience. The road, which runs along the coast, is a parenthesis of pure beauty. The landscape unfolds between the blue of the Adriatic and the lush greenery. In the distance, we glimpse Pula and its Roman remains, before continuing south. Upon arrival, we settle into the Grand Park Hotel. After a brief swim, we contemplate Rovinj from the heights. Its red-tiled roofs glow under the warm colors of the sunset. To conclude this first day, we go to Amici restaurant, an establishment distinguished by 2 Michelin Guide stars. As soon as we enter, the place envelops our senses. The light is soft, the wood warm, and the atmosphere hushed. It's the perfect setting for an exceptional experience. Here, the cuisine is an art. Each plate is a composition, a story that is read through flavors, textures, and temperatures. What makes the experience even more unforgettable is the host's passion for their land. The kindness and deep love they have for their region are palpable. Each dish is a tribute to Istria, to its products, to its traditions. The chef orchestrates a gustatory journey where the richness of local products blends with boundless creativity. It's a cuisine that surprises and moves, an experience where every detail is intentional, creating a memorable souvenir long after the last dish. The sun rises over Rovinj. After a night of rest, we have breakfast facing the city. The sight is breathtaking. The red-tiled roofs, the majestic bell tower that stands out against a cloudless sky, and the calm water of the port that shimmers in the day's first rays. It's a city that reveals itself on foot. We get lost in its narrow streets, which lead us to the bustle of the port. After having savored the essence of the coast, we leave behind the murmur of the sea to go inland. The landscape slowly transforms. The blue views of the Adriatic give way to gentle hills topped with vineyards and dense forests. Our path leads us to the San Rocco restaurant. Before sitting down, we discover Istria's liquid gold, the olive oil they produce. Its fruity aroma and smooth texture reveal all the richness of the terroir. Then we sit down for lunch. The cuisine of San Rocco is a tribute to this generous land. Each dish, from starter to dessert, celebrates the quality of local products and the simplicity of tradition. The flavors, both delicate and pronounced, pair perfectly with the olive oil that is the star of the table. It's a true feast that connects us deeply to Istria. In the afternoon, we head towards Motovun, a medieval hilltop village that dominates the landscape. But it is lower down, in the mysterious shade of the forest, that adventure awaits us. We participate in a truffle hunt with the Karlik Tartufi family. The silence of the forest, disturbed only by the sniffing of the dogs, is a lesson in humility. The deep bond that unites the masters with their animals is palpable. Their passion for truffles is contagious, making this hunt a moment of sharing and pure emotion. We take a break at the Roxanich Winery Hotel, a place that is far more than just a hotel. It's a true architectural masterpiece. Raw concrete and glass blend seamlessly into the surrounding hills, as if the building had always belonged to the landscape. Designed as a natural extension of the vineyards, the space is a tribute to wine, design, and nature. The rooms, both minimalist and sophisticated, offer a peaceful retreat where the silence of the countryside reigns. This is the high point of our journey, a place where terroir, craftsmanship, and aesthetics come together in perfect harmony. A beautiful prelude to the evening. We head to Luciano restaurant, a favorite of the Michelin guide. The atmosphere is warm and refined. The chef has prepared a sublime menu, a true love letter to the land of Istria. Freshly caught fish, vegetables harvested that very morning. Each dish honors the simplicity of the ingredients, elevated by the chef's skill and precision. It's an honest, pure cuisine, deeply rooted in its region. After dinner, we return to the calm of the Roxanich Winery Hotel for one last evening of peace and quiet. Our journey through Istria and Kvarner comes to an end. 2 days filled with stellar flavors, ancestral traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. This region has so much to offer. If you're looking for a destination where gastronomy, nature, and history are beautifully intertwined, Istria and Kvarner is an exceptional choice.